With Bitcoin just tagging new all-time highs, attention is firmly fixated on the world's largest crypto right now. And I still think that projects that are helping to grow the Bitcoin ecosystem offer some of the most interesting prospects in the industry, especially after the explosion of ordinals and BRC20 tokens that we saw last year. Bitcoin is the safest blockchain in the world, and therefore investing in altcoin projects that are helping to build out that network makes a lot of sense. But as Bitcoin excitement has already set in, a lot of Bitcoin-linked altcoins have already done a 5x, 10x. I'm thinking of the likes of Stacks, for example. So are there still opportunities in this niche? Well, there might be, but we have to venture down now into the micro-cap category of altcoins. And you have to bear in mind that although if these guys blow up, they could offer life-changing returns, we are venturing into the riskiest of altcoins right here. So there is a massive dose of risk involved. So with that framing in the forefront of your mind, it's time to introduce you to a project known as the Orange Wallet. And remember, if you like the video, it would be awesome if you could hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the content. So the Orange Wallet, where, as you can see on the screen here, Bitcoin meets Web3. So the Orange Wallet is a software wallet that is entirely focused on just the Bitcoin ecosystem. Now, the first form that this is going to take is a browser extension wallet. So this wallet is targeted at optimizing and enhancing the navigation of Bitcoin and the BRC20 ecosystem, I guess, which is still in its infancy. Now, by the looks of things on the website, they are trying to cram a heck of a lot into this Bitcoin wallet. So alongside offering a decentralized, non-custodial and anonymous wallet where you can take care of your BRC20 tokens, your ordinals, of course your Bitcoin, this wallet also offers the opportunity to swap tokens via its Orange swap feature. So we've got the Orange wallet here. There's a little clip of inside what the wallet is going to look like. It's a browser extension that is always on, easily manage your Bitcoin and all other protocols while browsing the internet. Then we have this Orange swap function. And this is a decentralized exchange built into the wallet, such as we see with the likes of MetaMask, for example. So you can connect your favorite Bitcoin wallet and seamlessly exchange assets cross-chain. So that's interesting. So you can do this. It's not just going to be on Bitcoin. They are going to facilitate cross-chain exchanges. Then we have the Orange market cap. Now, I've got this tab open with me right now, and it looks to be trying to carbon copy effectively CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. It's just a market cap aggregator, but this one is just focused on the Bitcoin ecosystem. So you can see that all of these, not sure about the internet computer, but all of these altcoins have a tight link to the Bitcoin ecosystem. In addition to the Orange market cap, we have the Orange Bridge, and this is the cross-chain feature that I mentioned earlier. So this enables interoperability across the Bitcoin ecosystem and other blockchain networks. So in this example, we've got Ethereum here. And then finally, we've got the Orange Assistant. So this may be on the back of the hype of AI. They are integrating what appears to be an AI assistant. So this uses artificial intelligence to help provide quick access to information, insights, and answers regarding the entire crypto industry. So I think the thinking here is you can go on this, type in a question about either price or market cap or some kind of statistic around a token, and this AI assistant will spit out the answer. So this wallet is trying to market itself as the go-to platform, protocol, whatever you want to call it, the go-to wallet for all of Bitcoin ecosystem management. So anything that you do within the Bitcoin ecosystem, which is growing because of the likes of ordinals and BRC20 tokens, as I've already mentioned, they want to be the go-to platform for managing all of that. Now, this project is completely brand new, so there is no history that we can look at to try and help us evaluate this project. It was launched in 2024, so that was when the coin launched. I'm not even sure whether the wallet is yet launched because there's no evidence to say that the wallet is launched on their website. There's nothing on there to say download here or go to this browser extension to download. What we do know is that the team behind Orange, it says experienced professionals from Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. We have Damon Nam, Dmitry Golovchenko, and Yiming. So the team is very open in that regard. We know who the team is, which is good, always good to see. especially with a new project. We don't want anyone hiding away in the shadows. Now, if you wanted to gain exposure to the Orange wallet and the ecosystem that it may have in the future, you would do that through their native token, which is ORNJ. Orange. ORNJ. So as we can see on here, inside the docs of the Orange wallet platform, we have a total supply of 100 million ORNJ tokens. They exist on the Bitcoin blockchain, so they are BRC20 tokens. So that's important to bear in mind. This isn't a token that lives on Ethereum or one of the other layer 1 blockchains. This is a token that lives on the Bitcoin blockchain. And then in terms of utility, so that we can see that there are three main use cases for this token. We've got governance. So governance is normally mixed in with these tokens, so it will give you a chance to vote in how the platform and the protocol is shaped. It then says we've got platform fee discounts. So Orange token holders will experience reduced fees and unlock greater value across all Orange products, whether you're buying, swapping, or exploring other DeFi services in the Orange ecosystem. So I guess the demand in terms of platform fee discounts will just be if this is adopted as a prominent platform within the Bitcoin ecosystem, then more and more people will want to access those platform fee discounts. And then finally, we've got rewards. Orange token holders are eligible to receive passive token rewards for active participation, staking, and contributing to platform growth. So it sounds like if you're going to stake your ORNJ tokens in the ecosystem, which you would, I guess, for governance, then you are entitled to some form of rewards. We don't know what they are at this moment in time. Okay, now let's talk about tokenomics. So the market cap of this token is $30 million. It's just over $30 million. We have a current price of 52 cents, near enough 53 cents. And this is the historic price chart. So we can see that this coin was launched only in February. And we can see that it launched way down at approximately 10 cents range. It spiked. We had a big initial spike up to about just under 80 cents. And then we've seen some pretty much sideways price action since then around the 40 cents level. In terms of other important numbers that we need to take away from here, we have, as we've already mentioned, a maximum supply of 100 million ORNJ tokens. And 57% of those are currently in circulation. So 57 million are currently in circulation. Now, what's interesting about this is that when I was looking at this initially, there was only approximately 25% of coins in circulation. Now, bear in mind that this coin has only been accessible for 2 months. It's only been on the market for 2 months. And over the space of the period that I was looking at it, the circulation supply has almost doubled. But going back to the market cap is very small. So we're fully in the micro cap category of altcoins here. $30 million, there is a lot of potential room to the upside if this is something that is adopted. And now talking to that point, what are the upsides that the Orange wallet offers? What could drive the price of ORNJ higher in the future? Well, the first one is that there's not really a dominant wallet in the Bitcoin ecosystem. This Bitcoin ecosystem, this what appears to be, it was thriving at least in 2023, this thriving Bitcoin ecosystem that seems to be growing more and more each year. Now that we have added utility in the Bitcoin ecosystem, we haven't really seen the infrastructure on how to navigate that Bitcoin ecosystem come in just yet. There's not really a popular wallet or a popular platform that everyone manages all of their Bitcoin-based assets from. So if Orange Wallet becomes the go-to for swapping Bitcoin into BRC20 tokens and then managing those, and in addition adds in a bunch of extra features, if it solves a lot of problems with the one product, it could do really well in the future. The second upside that I want to talk about is that it has a promising roadmap ahead. So the official wallet launch date is coming up soon, followed closely by, we can see the launch of the Orange Explorer, followed closely by the Orange Swap, then the Orange Wallet for Firefox and Safari, and then at the end of the year, the Orange Mobile Wallet for iOS and Android. So there are, if the team manages to achieve all those things, there is a lot of catalysts on the horizon that may influence the price of ORNJ. Thirdly, the code for the Orange Wallet is open source, which means that it can be audited by anyone. And if it can be audited, it can be checked. So that is a big tick. And then finally, we need to talk about comparable altcoins. So if we were to think, if this ORNJ coin takes off, I have put into the market cap of Here, the website, we've put in Trust Wallet, the Trust Wallet token, another token that's associated with a Web3 wallet, just to see if things go well, where price could end up. And we can see that with the current price of ORNJ and the current market cap and circulating supply, if we plug that into this website, it spits out a return of 17.83x. So we could see the price of ORNJ up at $9.45 if, in the best case scenario, it matches the market cap of the Trust Wallet token. And then we come to the risks of the Orange Wallet and the ORNJ token. What are the things that could limit its impact and could see this dive straight back down to zero? Well, the first is that we haven't seen the wallet yet. It's not released. It may be in a beta version, but there's no obvious way of accessing the wallet just yet. That's all to come in the future. So this could mean that the project runs into unexpected difficulties, and if it does, that would definitely negatively impact the price of the native token. Now, another thing that is really not good with this project is the tokenomics in terms of the release of coins. And I mentioned this when we were on CoinMarketCap earlier. I mentioned that when I first started looking into this project, the circulating supply was about 25%. And then almost instantly, it jumped to 57%. And that was due to unlocks, token unlocks that the team have baked into the tokenomics of this coin. And we can see here that the different allocations, so the seed, the public launchpads, liquidity, marketing, and then the team. But some of these, for example, the seed rounds and marketing and the team's not as bad because there's a 12-month cliff followed by a monthly linear vesting period over the next 10 months. However, with the seed and the marketing, they only have a 1-month cliff with 100% unlock after 1 month. So the seed, I guess it's a good thing that the seed has already been dropped into the market. So we've already seen that enter the market. So that is out of the way. Same with marketing, although there is a linear vesting period over the next 10 months. So those will be drip fed in. Then in terms of the public launch pads and the liquidity, it says 100% unlock on token generation event for launch pads. 50% unlock on token generation event with 50% unlock after 1 month for key opinion leaders. So basically influencers that have spurred the news about the Orange Wallet on, they will be able to unlock their tokens periodically very quickly. So basically the unlock period for these locked Orange tokens at the moment is super short. Now, that is really bad. If you are to get into this token, you have to bear in mind that these token unlocks will happen very, very quickly over the next 12 months. So never a great thing to see. Finally, on that point, early investors got in at an average price of $4. So with the price currently up at above 50 cents, they've already made well over a 10x and could well exit at any point with already a really healthy profit. So with the risks and potential upside laid bare for the Orange Wallet, should you get orange pilled, as this project would say, for this Bitcoin dominant altcoin? An investment into this altcoin would be an investment into the Bitcoin ecosystem. So you have to believe that the Bitcoin ecosystem, in terms of the extra utility that's being built into the Bitcoin ecosystem, is going to increase in the future. Then you have to place your faith on the fact that the Orange Wallet team are going to complete their roadmap in the future. I absolutely hate the fact that the token unlocks for this coin are so quick. That screams to me of a project that is trying to quit and run way too early. But the opposing force to that is the Bitcoin ecosystem hype. So we have seen how powerful Bitcoin ecosystem hype is. And for the Bitcoin ecosystem altcoin that is sitting at $30 million, which is really not a lot, it might not take a lot of interest in something like this to move the needle quickly in terms of price. So that's just something to bear in mind, and that's what I have for the Orange Wallet at the moment. As always, remember, if you want more detailed insights on a weekly basis, then get yourself on my 80/20 crypto mailing list. I try to offer as much investment value per issue as possible, 1 email a week. And remember, if you like the video, it would be awesome if you could hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the content. Remember, this is a micro-cap altcoin. Very, very risky. All of crypto is risky, but microcaps like this are even riskier. So please take that into consideration if you do want to investigate this one further. All that's left for me to say is thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.